and welcome to Lang Trailers. I'm excited to introduce our newest design trailer. It's our 4-station community floor plan Eco Series restroom trailer. So the community or open floor plan allows for more use of the trailer. 2 people can use the ladies' room and 2 people can use the men's room. So let's take a look inside of the women's room. The women's room has 2 lockable stall doors and a shared sink. And now let's go inside the men's room. So the men's room has a shared sink, a waterless urinal, and a lockable stall door. So this open floor plan allows for more use of this restroom trailer for events of 225 people or less. So be sure to go to langrestroomtrailers.com for more pictures and specs of this 4-station community floor plan Eco Series restroom trailer. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos from Lang Specialty Trailers.